Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. So today's episode is all about this pita bread. It's Cuisine's pita bread, and it comes in white and wheat as well. So today I'm going to show you how to make a breakfast flatbread, and it's going to be super easy, super simple and fun. Let's begin. Alright guys, so I have my pan here on medium heat, and I'm going to take one of the pita breads and we're just going to toast it lightly. Alright, so we're going to flip it now to make sure the next side gets brown as well. So I just have some spinach leaves. You just spread it around. What we're really trying to do is create like a barrier for the egg in the center. Next, I'm adding my red onions. I have my tomato next. And I'm going to add the egg. I'm just going to sprinkle some cheese all around. So on top of the cheese, lastly, we're going to add the pieces of bacon. Can't forget the bacon. Alright guys, so now it goes into the oven. I actually put the oven on broil, so it's going to have this high heat and it's going to cook the eggs perfectly. So I'm going to put it in now. Alright guys, so here we have it, the final results. Right, what I did is that I wanted to see if the pita bread was something that's going to be versatile, and it is. So what I made is a sandwich, a breakfast sandwich, and I used the same ingredients I use here. All I did is I just layered it, right, and it looks really pretty and really good. But I want to try this one. It has this rustic feel that I loved it. So I'm going to cut it in half. Alright guys, so I'm going to try it now. It's really good. Yeah, this nice pizza vibe going on. I have the crispy bacon, the nice ooey egg, and the vegetables, just topping it all off. As always, the full recipe is on eatahfood.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this dish, and don't forget to make it your own. You can have it sweet, you can have it savory, you know, throw some bananas and some hazelnut spread. It'll taste amazing that way. Or you can even wrap it as a sandwich. Until next time guys, bye!